Today we're gonna talk about the sweet almond, also known as Prunus dulcis. There are two varieties of almonds. There is the sweet almond and the bitter almond. The bitter almond is mostly used for cakes and sweets, while the sweet almond can be eaten raw or used in many other things, including cooking. There are two main differences. The bitter almond is a very strong plant. Its roots are very deep, go deep, and therefore it is very drought tolerant. Whereas the sweet almond is drought tolerant, but usually, to become even more efficient, it is grafted on a bitter almond. So we grow a bitter almond, chop it off, and graft, to put it in simple layman words, graft a sweet almond on it. Therefore we have the best of both worlds. Therefore we have the root of a bitter almond, which is better, and the top part, the grafted, is the sweet almond, which is obviously has its purpose. The almond goes dormant during winter when it's cold, so it drops all its leaves, and during spring it first puts out and goes into blooming. So therefore you will see it all white with all the flowers, and then as it develops, as the flower falls, it starts putting out the leaves. Fruits will develop after the flowers fall, and they take at least around 3 months to develop. If they are still green and young, the fruit can be eaten raw, but it's preferably left to dry on the tree. You'll see a small split going lengthwise, and that means that the harvest time is getting closer. The only problem for almonds usually are snails, which eat the outer layer while they are growing, but once they are grown up they don't touch them. And also rats and mice, they are a main problem for almonds. And also sometimes we have a type of borer. Here we can see the entrance. It was an egg was laid inside, and then it will eat the inside of the almond. Almonds are very nutritious seeds and have a lot of benefits. These are very, very nice trees, and when they are bloom, they are a spectacular sight to see. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and put a thumbs up. Thank you.